Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to load a watch only wallet. Many people don't know how to load their watch only wallet. They have the address, they don't know how to load it. So I'm going to show you how to load your watch only wallet and how to get a Bexchange app and logins. How to withdraw. I'm going to show you how to withdraw. Yes, and also I will tell you how to get a Momo number. I'm going to show you how to load it and how to get a Momo number and give you the steps to also withdraw. All right, so let's first go to, you have to first of all get a trust wallet. So this is how a trust wallet looks like. So you have to first go to your app store or play store and download trust wallet. All right, so after downloading trust wallet, you will look for a watch only address. I will put one in the description, so click on the description. You will see a watch only wallet address there, so you can copy it and you can use it in your trust wallet. Yes, you can use it and you can load it in your trust wallet and follow the steps to message me. So yes, if you want to withdraw and you are finding it difficult, you have to you can message me. You can check the description, you see my number, then you message me. So here is the watch only address, watch only wallet address of the trust wallet. So I've copied it. So after you get the trust wallet app, they'll ask you to enter a password. After entering it, I've already loaded a watch only address. I've used $70 million. So after you enter it and enter your password, you click on the add existing wallet. Then you click on view only wallet. Then you choose BNB Smart Chain. Yes, BNB Smart Chain. So you enter, you click on the watch, the add existing wallet. Then you click on view only wallet. Then you click on BNB Smart Chain. Then you paste your watch only address. Check the description. You will see the address there. And you confirm. After confirming, it will load. Okay, 70 million, as you can see. Yes, so you see all these two wallets are the same. All these two wallets are the same. So after you get it, you have to take the description and message me. When you message me, you just come and you just go straight to the point that I want to withdraw my trust wallet watch only funds, or I want to withdraw my watch only wallet. Then if you say that, I will give you the steps. So what you need is an app and a logins. Yes, that app and logins. After you purchase it, yes, you have to buy it. After you purchase it, then you enter the app and logins. After you enter it, you see that app and logins. After you enter it, you see withdraw funds, and you will, after you click on the withdraw funds, it will come for you to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So this amount here, so you choose any amount. Please mind you, you have to choose an amount. You have to enter an amount that your wallet can contain or your bank can contain. You can enter 70 million. Meanwhile, your bank or your wallet that you want to withdraw to can take 70 million. So you have to enter it according to your limit. Yes, so let's say your bank can take, let's say, $10,000 a day. So you enter the $10,000 and you have to get a Momo number. Yes, that's the Momo number that I'm to talk about. So the Momo number, in order to get it, you have to also the same number in the description. My number in the description, you have to message me and come for the Momo number. So the Momo number, after you get the Momo number from me, you have to send me the wallet. Let's say you want to withdraw to Binance, you have to get your Binance address so that I'll link the Momo number to it for you. When you want to withdraw to bank too, you have to send me your bank, let's say your bank account number and the name, and I'll link the Momo number to it, so that when you enter the app and login, so when you log into the app and you input the Momo number, I've linked it to your bank or your wallet for you. So when you input the Momo number and you click on withdraw, the funds will get deposited into your bank or your wallet that you gave me the details to link the Momo number to. Note it. The Momo number, after you purchase the Momo number from me, when you get to app and login and you enter the amount that you want to withdraw, you enter your full name, you enter the you input the watch only address, then you enter the Momo number. So you have to, maybe you want to withdraw to, your bank account. So you send me a bank account, the name and number, then I'll link the Momo number to it. Maybe you want to withdraw to your mobile money, so you send me a Momo money number, the one you use, and I'll link the Momo number for the Bexchange to it. Maybe you want to withdraw to Chimmy or any other place that you want to withdraw to, just send me the details, then I'll link the Momo number to it. So when I link the Momo number to it, you receive an email confirming that your Momo number is ready for withdrawal. So after you get the Momo number ready for withdrawal, you will just enter the Momo number. The Momo number is 10 nuggets. You enter it and you repeat. You click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, the funds will get deposited into your. If you send me your bank details and I link the Momo number to your bank, the funds will get deposited into your bank. If you use binance, it will get deposited into your binance. If you use Chimmy, if you use Momo, if you any payment method that you send me the details to link the Momo number to, the funds will get deposited there. Okay, so you have to check your limit before entering the amount, so that, because if your bank can't think $300 and you enter $300, it won't go, it will reverse back. All right, so let me show you a sample of the Momo numbers. It's 10 nuggets. So these are the samples of Momo numbers. These are the samples of Momo numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are Momo numbers I created for some people some time ago. So these are a sample of it. So you just check the description for my number and you message me directly. It will come directly to me, then I will guide you and make sure that you withdraw successfully. And the watch only address, if you don't have SAM2, you check the description. I've pasted the address there. Then you click on the address, then you follow the video and you load the wallet and you message me for the app and logins and the Momo number, and I'll link it successfully for you and show you the steps. I'll guide you step by step. Yes, and make sure you don't go to any other video, because in this process that I'm showing, there are a lot of scammers there that they will pay money to them and they will not help you. So chat me directly and let me guide you throughout the steps, step by step. Then I assure you that you are going to withdraw, you are going to smile. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you. NS Media, thank you. And one thing, this video or this withdrawal is meant for every country. Yes, some people message me and they ask that I'm in India, I'm in Nigeria, I'm in US, I'm in this. It works for every country. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.